Hi, and welcome back to another video of Rational Programming. My name's Patrick, and today we'll be speaking about SDKs. What are SDKs? SDK stands for Software Development Kit. It's a downloadable toolkit which contains libraries which perform common tasks for specific platforms and code. Ultimately, it allows you to build and maintain applications without having to write all of the code from scratch, but still getting all of the functionality that you want. My favorite analogy was the car and the cake mix analogy by Catherine Hodge at Blondie Bites on YouTube, which I'll do my best to reiterate here on this channel. Imagine in your program or in real life you are baking a cake. One part of the software development kit that you're using might be the pre-made cake mix. This cake mix has pre-built functionality, or it has pre-built ingredients that allow you to achieve the ultimate goal, which would be obviously to bake a cake. An SDK in itself is like a kit. Imagine putting together a model car or model plane. You will need a kit with all the pieces, the tools to put the pieces together, and the instructions even more. An SDK or a dev kit functions in the same way, providing tools, libraries, specific documentation that allows developers to create applications on specific platforms like Android or React JS like I'm using, or even iOS, while allowing software developers to use these platforms in more dynamic ways. Without an SDK, you would have to code everything from scratch. This means if you were baking a cake, you not only have to get all of the ingredients yourself, you will also need to build your own cooking tools. And you would have to create your own recipe. Or for the model car kit, you would have to create the tools, the actual pieces, or the instructions that's needed to put the car together. Thus, an SDK can be very helpful to adding functionality to your application. In conclusion, in web development, for the most part, there are two main areas called front-end and back-end web development. I am currently coding using front-end technologies for user interfaces. As a web developer, one can also learn both areas, which is called full-stack developer. However, due to the depth of either front-end or back-end technologies, one can specialize in either one of the specific technologies. Thus, using a SDK for a front-end developer can be very beneficial, especially using Firebase, which is a back-end SDK. Basically because it will allow someone like me to build applications that are fully functional and ready to use. I really hope today's video was helpful speaking about software development kits. It was really helpful for me, and I look forward to speaking about our next topic, which will be routers in React JS. So I'll see you on the next video.